On Louisiana Avenue in New Orleans, most people instantly recognize the historic Firehouse.
So it's a 100-year-old building. It was built in 1913. It served the community as a firehouse for most of its life. When it ceased to be a firehouse, it actually existed as a polling location, but it has sat blighted for over 30 years.
People's Housing Plus CEO O.G. Alexander utilized disaster recovery funds from the Louisiana Housing Corporation, partnering with the Office of Community Development. LHC's Rental Restoration and Development Program awarded the Louisiana Avenue Firehouse $725,000 to restore this historic building into affordable housing units.
One of the important aspects of this project, and this is, as a mission-based organization, these units will not only be affordable, but they will be deed restricted. So there will be permanent affordability. These will be deed restricted for 99 years with the goal of renewing. So these units will be affordable in perpetuity. We do a lot of work in cultivating people and moving them along the housing continuum. What made logical sense for us was, in addition to home ownership, was to actually create rental housing, because we believe the on-ramp to home ownership is stable, affordable rental housing. So this project is our first foray into rental housing.
But there's a bigger picture to this project. The building is not just for affordable housing. The bottom floor of the Louisiana Avenue Firehouse has come back into commerce as an early childhood development center.
This particular project, when given the directive of affordable housing upstairs and economic development downstairs, we thought that we would combine two of the city's most urgent needs, which is access to housing and access to affordable childhood education, early childhood education. So this project combines both of those, and it is actually the first cohabitation of affordable housing and early childhood development in the city of New Orleans.
The residential Firehouse property will now be able to serve a family in an affordable and energy-efficient apartment while working at or enrolling their child in an education center downstairs. The opportunities here are intentional and resourceful for Louisiana's workforce housing community. At LHC, we appreciate our partners' initiatives to go beyond the efforts of affordable housing.
So the goal of People's Housing Plus was to create a larger scale affordable housing organization that not only addressed the housing supply, but also created a number of different affordable housing options under one roof. These projects don't work without these state partnerships. Instead, this is not our first LHC project. And again, this is a very, very complicated capital stack, and any one of these sources that isn't there, it doesn't come through, means that this project may not be feasible.